Hey guys, this is Steven Smith here with Marinemax in Houston, coming to you with a brand new 2019 Boston Whaler 15 Montauk. At the front of the boat right now, I wanted to do a quick walkthrough and show you guys some of the storage compartments. You've got a big anchor locker and or fish box up here. Everything's going to be naturally insulated in the Boston Whaler. Pre-rigged for a trolling motor, and you've got the bow hook so you could use for lifting. And of course you've got your kind of windlass guide up there. Moving to the back, you've got a cushion on top of the cooler that comes with the boat for some forward-facing seating. Rod holders built into the T-top, cup holders in the ground there, and of course your handrail. Everything's all stainless hinges and handrails. Walking underneath of the bimini here, it comes with a umbrella top bimini. They've utilized every bit of storage you can in a 15-foot boat. You've got double battery design on this boat. Of course, you know, storage for your nav light. If you look at the helm here, you've got a spot for a flush mounted display if you wanted to, or you could still do the traditional swivel mount up top. A couple cup holders here, another one here. Your stainless steering wheel that you'd come to expect from Whaler with your throttle controls here. In this specific model, this cushion is removable if you chose to, and it is an alternating leaning post, so you could be rear facing or you could use it as a leaning post. The fuel tank is up underneath the seat here. And we have optioned this boat with a live well. So it does have a pretty large recirculating bait well at the back of the boat that you could use for fishing. And of course, storage for 2 5-gallon buckets to keep your fish or additional bait if you chose to. All powered by the Mercury 60 horsepower outboard 4-stroke. Thanks for coming to take a look at this 2019 15 Montauk here at Marinemax in Houston. My name's Steven Smith. Come see us today.